When I was first introduced to foam roofing 40 years ago, I thought, what numbskull would spray foam on their roof? I use a foam sponge in my kitchen sink to wash my pots and pans. Why would I put that on my roof?
Well, foam sponge, that absorbs the water. You don't want that foam on there.
That's what your brain tells you, right? So what is different about the chemical composition?
So we put in, for a foam roof, you want to put a closed cell foam system up there. I'm not 100% sure what foam composition your kitchen rag would be, but on the roof, it's a closed cell. When you spray it on, and if water gets on it, the cells are closed. That's essentially what it means. There's an open cell, which they do a lot in walls inside your house, spraying the inside walls. They'll do that a lot. You can do closed cell too, but on the roof, it's got to be closed cell because if water hits that, it won't penetrate. If it turns spongy, which sometimes it does, it just means whoever foamed that didn't do a good application and probably didn't work with Durafoam. So